Hello class. If you're watching this, you're probably in my one and only freshman class. I'm going to make this video going over our activities for this week. Everything is due on September 14th, so here we go. Let's get started. Alright, so if you log into Canvas, you'll probably start off at the home page. Okay, you'll move over here to the module section. You'll click modules. And as you scroll down, you'll see that our first module has definitely been expanded upon. I think when we left off with our Pickstar article activity, and I forget, but I think you guys already had access to activity 1.1.4. Just notice that it is due September 14th as well. And in case you forgot, this is where you read the other article that goes over how reading and writing can be a prescription for healing. And you're going to do that very much the same as you did the Pickstar article activity. Okay, if you progress through the module, you'll see that we're starting off with a quick write. Write as much as you can, as fast as you can in response to the following question. If you could rename your town, what would you name it and why? Okay, what you'll do is you'll click Submit Assignment at the top and a text box will open at the bottom, and you'll type out your response there, submit your assignment, and you'll be good to go. Okay, for the next activity, you have a short, brief slides presentation that goes over, reading closely. This is very similar to annotating a nonfiction text. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to tag the story. You're going to, remind me who the author, what the title is, what the genre is. Okay. And it also gives some other suggestions on how to annotate. So you'll read that on your own time. When you're done with that presentation, you'll move forward. And this presentation goes over the main idea, how you find out what the main purpose to a story actually is. And I'll go over this in more detail with you during our Zoom meetings. Okay, next you have your first short story from me. Okay, this is The Brothers, and what you're going to do, and you can't quite see it. Okay, you'll see this document right here, and you'll read the story. At the bottom of the story, you can kind of see right here. Let me see if I can expand this for you. No. Okay, so when you'll read the story, you'll annotate it, just as we learned when annotating the Pickstar article. You'll highlight, you'll write comments, you'll make questions. When you're done annotating the story, you'll answer the questions down here at the bottom. You'll tell me who the character is. You'll tell me what motivates the character. What do they want? You'll tell me what the problem or the conflict of the story is. You'll tell me how the character tried to solve their problem. And you'll tell me what the resolution or the ending to the story was. And then when you're done, you'll answer the purpose question, which you will have also written up at the top of the document. And if you're not quite sure what that purpose question is, it's right here. Your purpose for reading is to answer, why does Joseph run away? When you're finished reading, you should be able to answer that entirely. Okay, and so when you're ready to submit it, you'll click the blue Submit button at the top. And then on the next page, you have a graded discussion. This is a discussion everyone must participate in, and you'll discuss the short story as a class based on your own observations and the story you've read. Do you believe Joseph's reasoning, or do you believe in Joseph's reasoning for leaving his town, that it is valid? Why or why not? Did your analytical reading help you understand the task more? Please explain. And so if you look down here, I help you out a little bit. I've listed some sentence stems to help get the discussion flowing. Now it's important that you reply with your own personal reply to my question. You do that by clicking this. But as more students reply with their own responses, you are going to choose at least 2 of your classmates' posts and respond to their replies. And guys, it is important that you do not only reply to the one student that has a million replies already. I encourage you to go through the list, find a student that does not have any replies yet or might just have one, and I want you to respond to those posts. It's just a nice thing to do. And I think that'll be it. So if you have any questions for me, you know how to reach me, you know how to submit that into the inbox on Canvas. I'll definitely be going through these again with you through our Zoom call, so it's really important that you don't miss out on those. And thanks for watching and have a good day.